everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Prequel app. You will go here to settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page of apps you will search about the application of Prequel and you will click here. In this page of app info, go here to first stop and you will click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end here you will turn off your phone and restart your phone again, so please don't forget to